eggs Benedict with apple sausage. I'm gonna grate some onions and the apple, and I'm gonna add a little garlic, and we're gonna saute that for our sausage. You know, we wanna get a lot of flavor into our ground pork. So I'm gonna saute these vegetables in a little bit of canola oil. You know, while we're at it, we'll give the apples a little cook too. It's really easy to make your own breakfast sausage. You just take your ground pork and just season it. A little bit of cayenne, some salt and pepper, some sage, some fresh thyme. And then I can take my onions, garlic, and apple, a little bit of maple syrup. I'm gonna put this back in the refrigerator. Let all these flavors kind of get together. I'm gonna take 3 eggs, 3 egg yolks. I like to cook my eggs right on top of the stove in a metal bowl. Obviously, they're gonna get nice and light. We wanna create a ribbon when we do that, so that it all stays together. Now, I'm gonna take some clarified butter. We're gonna slowly add to the cooked egg yolks so that they emulsify. If you add it too quickly, it's gonna separate, and really you're gonna have to start over. Add a little bit of lemon juice, a little hot sauce, some Dijon mustard, and some whole grain mustard for a little bit of texture. The mustard is also gonna thicken the hollandaise up a little bit. A little salt and pepper. We're gonna make our patties. These are probably gonna take about 3 minutes on one side and a couple of minutes on the other. Let's get the English muffins in the toaster, and then we'll talk about the poached eggs. You have some water that's steaming, and then you take some distilled vinegar, and that's gonna actually help the poached eggs coagulate. Just gonna use a little ramekin. Just in case I break the egg, I'm not gonna have to fish it out of the water. I'm gonna take a couple of English muffins, some of our pork and apple sausage right on top, and then we're gonna take a couple of eggs, our beautiful poached eggs, and then some hollandaise sauce. Put a little bit right on top.